Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the BTH82DP.SYS blue screen error that you're receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error BTH82DP.SYS could be related to multiple different issues that may arise on Windows, and the two of the most common reasons are system file corruptions and incompatible, outdated, or corrupted drivers. And then I'll show you how to resolve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update drivers. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung Windows Update, so click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side, I scroll down, at dito lang sa advanced options, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa advanced options at dito lang sa additional options, and then i-click mo lang dito yung optional update, so click mo lang yan. And then once may nakita ka ditong update dito sa optional, ay kailangan itong i-install. Alright, so i-click mo lang yan kasi mayroon tayo dito new driver updates. I-click yung box and then i-click mo lang dito yung download and install. Alright, so after dito na ma-update natin or ma-install natin yan sa settings and other solutions na pwede natin gawin, so same, all you have to do is to select dito lang sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots and under dito sa options, ay click mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa most frequent ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other. So under dito sa other ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And wait natin. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So ang gagawin natin dito is to follow lang yung proper procedures step by step. At nandito lahat yung informations details na pwede natin i-follow para ma-fix natin yung problem. Okay, so after dito, and then close lang natin yan. And other solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the DSIM and SFC tool. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy lang natin yan, and then next step ay i-paste natin dito. Pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut to control plus B, and then press mo lang yung enter. And deployment image and servicings management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And then the operations completed successfully, and the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung sfc space slash scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix BTHA2DP.SYS blue screen error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.